Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everyone about it. And that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer services to our customers, and this review shows we're doing a great job. We're very proud of this. One of the keys to our success is that we place our focus on our customers. It's how we earn our great reviews and how we'll earn yours too. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.